Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Ángel Rodríguez. I'm from Bogotá, but currently living in Cali. I work as a programmer. I am studying electronic engineering and I am currently in the sixth semester. Okay, next I am going to the tutorial on how to save water. Save water. Considering water is essential for every man, sustainable and can also reduce water bills. Here are some practical ways to save water. Okay, one, fix leaks regular checks for repair leaks in factory toils and paper. To reducing washing machine work from the bathrooms. Three, installing water efficient application. Four, shower limit your time water saving. uh, Six, turn off the tap. Don't leave the tap running whilst brushing your then washing your things, washing your face or dishes. Six, collect running water for garden plants and garden. Uh, Seven, water use for raising fruits and vegetables and use it into water plants. A, educate Warren spread awareness about water conservation with your community. Encourage others to adopt water saving habitat and practice. All this is very important, very important. Be incorporation this water saving practice into your daily routine. You contribute to water conservation and make positive impact on every man. Has been my tutorial. Thanks you very much. Bye bye.